Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's what we're going to be working on today. We're going to be working on the seat for the Ninja 650. As you can see, this seat has got some rips and it just looks pretty bad. So I was able to get a custom seat cover, and I think it's going to look pretty awesome. I'll show it to you here in a few minutes, but the first thing we're going to do is start taking the staples out. I was trying to use this staple gun to see if it would work, putting staples through this frame, but it doesn't really want to work. So we're going to pull these staples out. I'm going to probably have to run out and get a different staple gun and get things ready to go on this. It's going to be a little tricky to pull these staples out because I only have one arm I can use. Blew up my bicep on my right arm, my dominant arm, so I have to have surgery in a couple weeks, but I'm going to try to get as much done as I can before surgery. So I want to get this seat cover changed, so we're going to work on that. Okay, what I did to get these staples out was I just took a little small punch like this, put it under the edge, hit it with a hammer because I'm working without my right arm, so that way I could just bend the staples up easier, and then I'm just going to pull them all out with a pair of pliers and get this cover off. Alright, so I got the seat cover off, and the foam on this is in really good shape, except for right here at the front. On both sides is a little bit of wear, but other than that it looks great. Oops, sorry, my camera a little off. So let me, I'm just going to put the other seat cover over it, and we'll show you what we're working with. Alright, so here's the seat cover that I went with. Thought it was very nicely done. I ordered this seat cover off of Etsy. I think the person that did it was actually in Poland. And this seat cover, she custom made. You picked out the color thread you wanted, the piping you wanted, and she also put the Kawasaki in the back of the seat, and this seat cover was actually $30 more than the cheapest factory seat cover I could find. So I thought for a custom seat, $30 more was definitely worth it. And it's just, I think it's a beautiful piece that she did, or he, or whoever, it just looks, I think it looks amazing, and I think it'll look great on the bike. I wasn't sure about going with the white piping just because white gets dirty, but you know what, that's what I thought would look better on this bike, so that's what I went with. And you know, if it gets dirty, it gets dirty, we'll clean it. But thought it looked really good with the leather and then the carbon fiber type material here, the anti-slip material. I thought it just, it looks great. And maybe I'll have to put a link to the person on this video. But so just have it sitting on here for now. I'm really starting to hate GoPros, especially when it gets a little bit cold. Mine just keeps shutting off. It's got plenty of battery, but it just keeps shutting off in the cold. But I think they did a really good job. I'm going to have to get a new staple gun, one that's a little stronger, so I can put this on. I'll do that probably later today. So here's what the cover is going to look like, and we'll see if we can get that put on and move on. All right, so here's the seat cover, getting ready to put it on. What I did was I put a layer of plastic underneath the seat. That's what they had on the other seat cover. I guess that's to help keep that foam from getting wet. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to film as much as I can of this, but don't know how I can set up my camera to really get it, but we'll see what we can do. All right, here's the seat covered. Looks like I may have it a little crooked, but it's the best I could do. I'm not a professional at this, but I think it looks amazing, and I can't wait to get it on the bike. Unfortunately, I have the tank all lifted off the bike right now, although maybe we'll just sneak a peek. All right, guys, that's how it looks. It's not actually sitting on there exactly right. I've got my bike up on the lift as high as it goes right now, so doing some other work. But that's how the seat looks. Very happy with it. I think it looks good. So I'm going to end this video here on the seat. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Got a lot more going on in this build. So please come back and check it out. Like I said, please like, subscribe, share, whatever, all that good stuff. And we'll be back with more on this.